Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Minute, where today we'll be installing a dash cam on a 2026 Toyota RAV4. Let's go. The new RAV4 has an updated plastic shroud compared to the previous generation. But fortunately for us, the steps required to get this set up is all the same. Let's start off by tilting the mirror down for better access to the panels above. I'm now going to use my pry tool and wedge this right here and push away from me. I'll start off with the left and move on to the right side. Looks like I didn't get the left tab out all the way, so let me try that again. There we go. Here's a close-up of the connection points on this panel. Next, I will remove the smaller piece. Now, let me just say that this part did not need to be removed from my installation. However, if you are planning on upgrading your rearview mirror to a Gentex unit, then this will be helpful to you. Since this vehicle does not have the auto-dimming mirror, we'll have to access a connector port that sits behind this overhead console. To remove this console, we'll start by removing this 10mm bolt. Next, I'll wedge my pry tools in the spot seen here and use my hands at the back to pry the panel down. There are 4 fasteners that secure this unit in place, and it will require a generous amount of pressure to pull the panel down. Here's a close-up of the connection points on this panel. And more importantly, here's the 5-pin connector port we are looking for. Now let's grab our Dongar power adapter. The one seen here is a 5-pin harness made specifically for Toyota vehicles. In the box we've got an instruction manual, Dongar power adapter, wiring harness, some short length Type-C cables, and a pry tool. Let's grab our Dongar 5-pin harness and install this end into the vehicle's connector port, and this end into the USB module. Again, for folks who want to upgrade the rearview mirror to a Gentex unit with homelink and auto dimming, you will need access to this port as well. And using the Dongar adapter doesn't interfere with that upgrade. Let's connect the dash cam and turn on the vehicle to ensure we're receiving power.
Recording started.
If everything looks good, let's start tightening up the cables and reassembling our panels. Find a spot that works well for your setup and route the harness accordingly. Peel off the 3M backing on the USB module and attach it to the shroud or windshield. Whatever works best for your setup. Now let's reconnect the dash cam and find a nice clean spot on the windshield to attach it to. And just like that, we are done. One of the biggest advantages of the Dongar adapter is the clean setup. No dangling wires, no extra trim panels removed throughout the cabin, and no fuse tabs. For RAV4 owners who want the protection of a dash cam without the hassle of a complicated installation, this is about as simple as it gets. So check out Dongar Technologies and be sure to hit the like and subscribe button for more content like this. Cheers and drive safe, y'all. Peace.